What's up guys, today we're going to do a joyride with the Dualtron Achilleus. Let's have some fun. This scooter is an actual monster guys, not gonna lie. It's incredibly fast. The brakes are amazing. Also today the weather is actually insane. It feels like the summer already. People are honking on me, but if I honk, they're gonna go deaf because my horn is like a motorcycle. I look how there are people out there right now. You can hear the beautiful sound from the motors. If you hear this sound, you know it's Dualtron. There's no way you can mess up. Kind of good place for a bump. Look at the dog. Look at the little kids on the mini scooters. See, that was so smooth. Guys, tell me in the comments what scooter do you own. It's so peaceful up here. Let's actually go to the sea. Top 10 spots. The view is crazy. Guys, do you like the summer? It's one of my favorite seasons. It's perfect for riding, for going out with friends, for even going in the sea, swimming. Like, tell me a reason why I don't like the summer and you prefer the winter or whatever. Some overtaking action like that. We're going 60. The top speed on the scooter is around 90. We're entering something like a tunnel. Nature is beautiful. Like, look at this. It's overgrown, but it's whatever. It still looks very cool. Look at the view. Look at the boat. Damn. Some motorcycle right here. Okay, we're going down to the sea. I really hate this coconut. It might look less scary on camera, but in real life it's something else. Look at this. Whoa, so many cars. That's crazy. It's already perfect for swimming in the sea. The weather is that good. It's exactly like summer. Look at this. People are enjoying their life. We can just keep everything like this. This is the best part. Like, look at this. Amazing view. Guys, get yourself a scooter. It's worth it. You're just gonna have so much fun. Trust me guys, it's worth it. Wow. So beautiful. Let's actually go over there. There's too much sand. I just can't. There is a guy on a boat. What? Whoa. What is this? Looks like a paddling with a big handlebars. What is happening over here? Whoa. This is crazy. It's super sandy. I can actually fall when I'm riding in dual motor. It's perfect weather. The weather is absolutely perfect. Whoa, look at the BMW. Look at the motorcycle people. I'm not allowed to go over here, so I will pass on this. Let's go back. Come back for the parking lot. So now it's better at least. Oh look, a cookie ring over there. A G-Space, wow. I hate this spot. My scooter can keep up with this. And I'm not even on the fastest mode, by the way. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace!